The Democratic Alliance has appointed some National Unity Platform members of Parliament to spearhead their countrywide campaigns. Among these, Juliet Kakande, woman MP for Kalungu, has been appointed to coordinate Voodoo. Dr. Abedi Wanika, MP Chotera Kabonera, has been appointed for Masaka, and Michael Kakembo, Entebbe Municipality, has been appointed for Wakiso. Other prominent members on the team are Kasibante Moses, who will coordinate Kampala, and Veronica Nanyondo to coordinate Masaka, and the defeated Kawempe North candidate Mohammed Mutazindwa to coordinate Kawempe. While unveiling the national coordination team, Democratic Alliance National Coordinator and the Parliamentary Commissioner Matthias Mpuuga urged the teams to traverse the entire country and spread the need for change. He called for unity among the opposition to earn a seat.
A talent pool of leaders that are seasoned, leaders that understand the history of our nation, leaders that understand where we are and where we should go. I'm a Bible reader. There is a verse that says, the sons of Ishak had understanding of the times and where Israel ought to go. And because of that, they were on top of their brethren.
Mpuuga condemned the mistreatment of journalists by security personnel. He added they are willing to work with any political party which understands their journey. Dr. Abedi Wanika, who will coordinate Masaka, said they have able and tested leaders and they are tired of being misled.
That we in the DA, we have the understanding of the times. We have the understanding of our nation. And we also know where to go. There are many political forces that know where we are, but they don't know where we are going.
Kakembo Michael, who will coordinate Entebbe, revealed that the time is now to put aside leaders with selfish interests and look at national interests.
Ogwetaaga mujje mutukwatizeeko tobeka jeja tumuwummuza alabe ku bukulembeze obw'abateeketeeke bukola ki.
Michael Mabike, who will coordinate Machindye, noted with concern that their alliance is a tent for all political parties that believe in democracy.
We have been traversing various parts of Uganda to ensure that we ground the DA. Tubadde tutambula nga tuteekayo amatabi ga DA. Tetwagala kubeera bakatikkiro ba Buganda, twagala kutwala wa President wa Uganda.
Kasibante Moses, the coordinator for Kampala, accused the President Yoweri Museveni of failing institutions like the judiciary and the legislature. Kasibante also urged the supporters to elect intelligent and knowledgeable leaders. William Rwanga, Beg Television.